Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I thought I would do something fun that is just a fun silly video. I wanted to do the chapstick challenge, which is I bought a whole bunch of different flavored chapsticks. I've jumbled them all up. I haven't tried them beforehand, and I'm going to try to guess what their flavors are, and then I'm going to tell you at the end what their flavors were. I mean, you'll be able to see as I pick them up. I don't even remember what flavors they were. They came in a multi-pack. We're gonna see. But I thought it would just be fun to do something entertaining, something silly, something playful. I know so many of my videos are, you know, they're tips, they're educational, they're how to clean, or they're vlogs with us, and I felt like doing something silly. So hey, come along with me and let's do something playful. Ready? Should we do our first chapstick? I'm not sure why that's a chapstick theme song. That doesn't feel legitimate. What should my chapstick theme song be? I don't know. That's a tough one. Tell me, give me an emoji that like sums up what my chapstick theme song should be. I feel like it should be some kind of fruit and then like a lightning bolt. Boom. Yeah. That sounds good. Okay, we're gonna do the first one. I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm not gonna look. What? No, my eyes closed, I swear. What? Oh, okay. Okay. I will close both. I'll be good. I promise. Okay, ready? Okay. I'm dumping them out of their container. I'm gonna mix them all up just in case. Okay, hopefully I can figure out. Okay, I'm gonna smell it first. Maybe chocolatey? Something sweet. Mango. I'm gonna say mango. Okay, I'm gonna open my eyes because I can't actually put the lid back on. So now I'm gonna know. Am I right? Am I right? Okay. Mandarin mint tea. Okay. Yeah. Maybe not. Maybe not quite right. But hey, it's an orange fruit. I mean, I don't know why I got coffee there. Mandarin mint tea. Okay, I wasn't even close. I'll admit that. I'm not afraid to be wrong. Unless, you know, it's about like an argument over snacks. And then I'm gonna be right because I'm gonna win those snacks. Okay, I'm gonna try the next one. Or you know what? I should wipe these off first. Give me 1 second. Okay. There, okay. Okay. Now I'm ready. Let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna smell this one first. Ooh, I'm gonna say this one's coffee. It smells very coffee. Okay, this one smells super coffee and it tastes like nothing. Like nothing. I'm getting no taste from it, but I'm gonna say coffee because that's a really strong coffee smell. Am I right? Caramel Macchiato. Oh, that's a coffee. That's okay. I'm kind of right. Like this is a flavor of coffee, right? I don't drink coffee a lot. I mean, I like coffee, but can I get that to focus? There you go. But if I drink coffee, I get really hyper, so I save it for special occasions because I love the smell of coffee. I love the ritual, the taste. And you know, when I was in Italy in November, I so wanted to be drinking coffees, but I also realized that I did not want to be like super hopped up on caffeine while trying to take care of my son and traveling at the same time. So I didn't get to drink all those fabulous coffees. Okay, I'm gonna say that I got that one. Like the first one, no, I was wrong on. But I feel like that one counts because it's like a coffee flavor. But it's funny. There's a really strong scent and no flavor. Okay. Let's do number 3. We're gonna get this right. We're gonna rock and roll this chapstick. You ready? Okay. I'm not sure I like that smell. It's like a Christmassy, pumpkin-y spice flavor, you know, like seasoning flavor. I'm gonna say it's like a holiday potpourri. You know what? This smells so bad. I'm not gonna put it on my lips. I'm gonna open my eyes. I'm gonna look at it because Oh, it smells like pit and potpourri on your lips. Why would you do that? Why would you like want to willingly put potpourri on your lips? Oh my god, I was right. Oh, my basic Becky instincts are, oh boy, yeah. Does that mean I am basic Becky? I am. It's true, isn't it? Is it a basic Becky? A basic Jenny? Whatever the white girl is. This is a pumpkin spice latte. Man, I got it. Oh, that's embarrassing because I don't even drink pumpkin spice lattes out of sheer resentment because all apparently white girls love this. But I got it. I got it right. Oh, here's my evidence. Yup. Man, I knew what pumpkin spice latte smelled like. It's like just genetic or something. We just know. We just like can go to it somehow. And oh, that's okay. I'm a little embarrassed that I got that. I would have preferred not, but I'm glad I didn't put it on my lips because at least I can say that it didn't touch my lips. If you really like pumpkin spice latte, that chapstick smells like it. So go get it, man. Oh my god, man, that's embarrassing. I'm gonna let that down. Okay, the next one. We're gonna recover. That's just so embarrassing. I can't believe I got that. Pumpkin spice latte. Okay. Oh man, some of these do not smell good. Oh man, I can't get it. I'm gonna say like fake vanilla. I'm gonna put this one on just like the tips of my lips. I'm gonna say like an artificial vanilla or something, like some kind of vanilla-y kind of basic thing, but it doesn't, I don't know, it almost smells like green tea. So like maybe green tea vanilla or something. Is that even, is it like a chapstick anyone would choose? Okay, we're gonna see. Okay, not even close. Mocha. Okay, I do not, for the record, think this, I like mocha. I eat mocha ice cream. This, no. Not even close. I'm not sure, like, how this was interpreted. It doesn't even taste or smell like something that someone else described to somebody who's allergic to coffee and whipped cream and then tried to tell them what it would taste and smell like. It doesn't even that. This is just like they just guessed. They grabbed 3 chemicals out of their chemical bin and said, let's add it together. It'll do something. That's horrible. That's nasty. Oh, it lingers. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna get some tea. Oh, man. Oh, okay, I only have a teeny bit at the bottom. Oh, my God. Oh. It's nasty. Oh. Okay. I don't know why that was so bad. That's normally a flavor I like. That was really bad. Okay. Wait, I have to mix these up. I don't wanna know what any of them are. Okay, ready? We're gonna do this. Okay. Oh man, that one lingers. Oh, this one smells better. Okay, let's do it. Okay, this one smells better. It's got like a rosy element to it. Man, the scent to me says like rose kind of related, but the flavor is more berries. So I'm gonna go with flavor and say something berry flavored. Okay, not even close. I'll admit this one. This is why I fail my wine blind taste test, is I always come up with really weird things. Nope, green tea lemonade. I mean, I know what green tea and lemonade both smell and taste like, and I would not say that's what it is, but okay. I mean, it's not bad, but it's very sweet actually on the lips. I like it. It's not a bad one. I'm just offended that I'm getting this real heavy scent off my lips right now, and it's not, I would not consider it lemonade or green tea. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna dab that off. Okay, wait. Can't look. Hold on. Saw vague colors in my eyes, so I'm gonna rotate these. Okay, ready? One more. Oh, this smells very winter spicy. I'm gonna say, based on smell, like cider. I'm gonna say like cinnamon apple cider. Okay, am I right? Oh, cinnamon chai latte. That's kind of close. I'm gonna give that to myself. I'm generous. Okay, I like this one. It's not too sweet. Like the lemonade one was oddly sweet on my lips. It's weird to get a sweet sensation from a chapstick. I like this one. Yeah, that's not too bad. Okay, I approve. I'm not opposed. Okay, should we do one more? What do you think? I know these are huge multi-packs. Whoever gets through these. My son has been eyeballing these chapsticks and is obsessed with them. He's like, I'm gonna get these chapsticks. I'm gonna eat them. When I was little, for Christmas one year, my parents gave my sister and I big tubes full of chapstick, and we ate them all. And then the next year they gave them to us again. And guess what happened? Was it the next year? It was some point during our childhood. I feel like there were 2 occurrences of chapstick eating. I don't remember if it was the next Christmas. It was somewhere near there. Okay, wait, I have to wipe this off. That one's not bad though. And I like how glossy and thick these are, but boy, some of those smells and tastes are just horrible. Okay, next one. Zen. I'm gonna get you chapstick. I'm gonna get you right. Oh yeah, these lips were made for chapstick. I was gonna say they're gonna walk all over you. That doesn't make any sense. The boots metaphor doesn't work. Okay. It smells like a department store. Steinmart, discount store. I like Steinmart. I have some scars from there. It smells like Steinmart. Okay, wait. I shall empty my mind of department stores. I shall be in this moment. I'm gonna say watermelon, maybe? Like artificial watermelon. Maybe like a really, no, tastes too sweet for watermelon. I'm gonna go with watermelon though, because it smells like it. Oh, okay. Not close, not even close. I'm gonna wipe this one off. It's actually too sweet for me. It's a weird flavor. Okay, bell. Okay, this is pomegranate iced tea. I mean, I love pomegranate flavors. I love passion fruit iced tea the best though. Oh, when I was in Copenhagen, I had some wonderful passion fruit iced tea that I just adored. It was fabulous. Yeah, I mean, I don't think that's bad per se. I feel like if you have a teenage child, they would really like that chapstick. I feel like it would be a teeny, kind of preteen flavor that they would like. They would like the color, they would like the flavor. It didn't have a bad smell, but I did not like the taste on my lips. That was not pleasant. Okay, so I think overall, I didn't succeed super well at this, but I tried. I don't know. These are funny, silly challenges, but I enjoyed them. I'm not sure I would use a lot of these chapsticks myself because they're really like heavily flavored and scented. I think the only one I really liked was, which one was it? Oh, not pumpkin spice latte. I don't think so. Okay, I don't remember which one I like. You guys tell me. I'll know this when I go through editing. I'll remember which one I said was okay. But we survived this. We made it. Our lips are smackingly soft and incredibly scented and flavored. And I'm gonna go fill up my mug again. So many flavors on my lips right now. Ooh. Oh, now I know how boys at Spring Break feel. Oh, boom tickety mom joke. Oh yeah. Oh. Hey, thank you so much for subscribing. I've had a lot of new subscribers recently, and thank you so much for finding this channel and enjoying it. My name is Rose Kelly, in case this is the first video you're seeing. I do a lot of cleaning inspiration videos. I do family week and day in the life vlogs on here. I do fun, dollar store and clothing hauls, and occasionally now I'm adding in a silly little, a challenge isn't really the right word, but a fun game, a game video that we can all enjoy. Kind of, when you've been watching a lot of the news and you're just a little down, sometimes it's nice to watch something simple and easy that's enjoyable. I also have a second channel that is my parenting channel that I do a lot of gentle parenting tips and motherhood and fatherhood lifestyle and clothing and yoga and fitness on there. So these are my two little YouTube channels. So thank you so much if you subscribe to both or just this one. Welcome to 2019 on here. We're having a great time. If you love these kind of videos, leave a nice comment. If you don't say anything rude. Just pass on by, but if you do, give it a thumbs up and let me know what other fun, kind of entertaining, challenging, let's call it game show. What other kind of game show videos would you like to see on here? Because very much of the Wholesome Feed, my other channel, is kind of it's educational, it's wonderful, full of life hacks and tips and motivation and getting on there. And this channel has been a lot of, cleaning motivation and fun lifestyle and dating tips for single parents, right? And I thought that another fun thing to add on here for the year, kind of one of my goal things, because I enjoy making them, is more of a little fun game show thing. So let me know in the comments, tell me what you would love to see on here, because I love hearing back from you. I love interacting with you all in the community section here on YouTube. I love putting on photos, linking to my Instagram. That's another great way to follow along, and leave comments to tell me what video ideas you would like. I frequently in my Instagram stories will request ideas for videos from you all, or ask you a Q&A questions on there that then I can answer on here. So thank you so much for being a part of the beginning of this wonderful year. I will see you all over until the next video. Thank you so much today. Thumbs up. When you have horrible chapstick flavor, what do? You drink out of your mug. You can do it mug. Oh yeah. Hey, I designed these mugs. You can go click the link in the description box. That would be lovely. To my Zazzly homeware store. And I design and sell these mugs and other mugs, pillows and totes and all sorts of fun things. And it's a beautiful, fabulous, fun way to support these videos. So thank you so much to everybody that bought mugs over the holidays.